Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on vibration on iPhone. So if you want your iPhone to vibrate each time you have an incoming call or each time you have a message or any notification at all, but your iPhone fails to do this, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can easily turn on vibration on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, make sure your iPhone is not on silent mode. How do you know your iPhone is on silent mode? If you just want to check this action button on your iPhone and make sure it's on ringer. So once it's on ringer, then that's one step ahead. Then again, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down and then click on sounds and haptics. Once you selected sounds and haptics, locate haptics under ringtone and alert and then click on that. Here, you can easily set haptics for your ringtones and alert on your iPhone, but in this case, to turn on vibration permanently, just select Always Play. Then once you selected Always Play, hit the bar button. Now, you can come to your ringtone and see if haptics is set to none. So if haptics is set to none here, even when you turn on Always Play haptics, your iPhone will not vibrate. So come here and select a pattern for your iPhone vibration. Once you selected that for your iPhone vibration on the ringtone, hit the bar button again, come to test tune and check whether your iPhone haptics is enabled. If this is disabled, you also want to come here, select a pattern. Once you do that, you want to repeat this for all notifications you have here, including voicemail, new mail, sent mail, even default. If you want to use vibration on default alert, come here and turn on vibration. Once that is done, hit the bar button and then you're good to go. So each time you have notifications on your iPhone is going to vibrate. So that is basically how to turn on vibration on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.